So as I explained that an axon in the neurons is wrapped into the myelin sheath, which is whitish fatty protein lipid segmented sheet around the most long axons. A neurolimocyte or the Schwann cell, which is a specialized neuroglial cell. Neuroglial cells here, I mean, is those cells which are not neurons but are the part of the nervous system. So this is a specific type of the nervous cells that is called the Schwann cell. There is another type, the oligodendrocytes. They wrap the myelin sheath into the layers. The gaps are called neurofibril nodes, the nodes of Renier also, and its function is to protect the axon from any physical damage and also electrically insulate the fiber so that the message does not pass from the adjacent neurons to each other, but it only goes into one direction along the length of the axons, right? So they basically are insulating these axons of a neuron, and then also they increase the speed of the message that is conveyed. So myelin sheath in peripheral nervous system. Remember there are two types of the nervous systems, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So the peripheral nervous system, this myelin sheath is formed by the specialized neuroglial cells, the Schwann cells, also known. The envelops an axon, enclose the axons into its plasma membrane, and then it wraps around into the concentric circles. See, this is the membrane of the cell which is wrapping around in circles and circles and circles so that it can insulate this whole axon. And once that whole cell is wrapping around that axon, this is called neurolemma. This membrane is called neurolemma. Both myelinated and unmyelinated fibers can be present, and mostly in the brains there are some unmyelinated fibers. I'm sorry. So these unmyelinated fibers basically transmit and increase the speed of the transmission.